Have made it to New Mexico. I'm about to put the tent right here. Got this badass light going on for me. I got to put some clothes on. It went from 80 degrees in Texas to 30 right out here. So we made it. Let's go. Let me show y'all inside the tent. Slept like a baby on that cot. That's why I like these bigger tents. It's like a big room in here for you. You know, you can put all your gear in here. Not bad, man. All right, I've about went as far as you can go driving down the Pecos. From here, I'm pretty much walking, and I'm gonna put some miles in. Let's go, baby. Let's get down here to the river. Find us some pools to fish. Hopefully some beaver went to work a little bit. I feel like I see one right there in front of us. Got me a nice little rainbow. He's okay looking. Guys, I totally forgot. Since I caught a fish, I get to take the plastic off the new pole. So, let's get this thing off. Start putting some fish slime on it. Woo! That right there is a pretty one. Ooh, got hooked. That is pretty. That's gonna be real dark here in a month or two. I'm gonna keep moving upriver, see what we can get into. Look at this pretty fish. Oh man. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm stoked. No cutthroat, but I got a rainbow and I got a brown. Come on, I need a cutthroat. That's sick. I just got an awesome release on that fish. Let's keep going. Guys, I'm walking around out here, pretty much out in the middle of nowhere. Don't mind my GoPro, it looks stupid. Is this a baby bat? I just found this thing sitting on this rock. Sitting here on this rock, dead. It's pretty crazy. Pecos River, man. I've walked it quite a bit. Nobody out here. I've caught 2 fish so far. I've had 3 bites that I just couldn't get reeled in. Those 2 fish, I like it. Let's keep going. All right, hopefully this looks cool. Oh, it's stuck. Let me try another one, hold on. All right, this is the last one I'm throwing. If it don't work, it don't work. Weak. Hey man, you know where the fish are? All right, damn. All right, making our way back into the Pecos Wilderness. Leaving the truck. Got the bag, the poles. We're gonna get deep into that Pecos Wilderness. I got a lot of walking to do, let's go. Two different worlds. See all that snow? Look behind me. Sunny, thriving. It's beautiful out here. All right, real quick, I just wanted to point out something. I might have the whole Pecos Wilderness to myself. See the snow on the ground? There's no tracks, no human track. I think I got this place to myself, man. Heck yeah. I snapped that clean off. Tied it on to the stick. Hey, we keep filming no matter what. I'm gonna go ahead and string up the pole, work my way around, and start throwing up river to them. I still have about 20-30 minutes before the sun hits, so I'm just gonna try to stay quiet, string it up, and hopefully catch some fish. It's pretty big, you can't tell. Look, you see that fish right there? There's a couple more under here. I'm gonna move this ice, watch. There it goes. I moved the bobber up. Let's see what happens. I know I hit this spot for the next 3-4 hours, changing lures, getting my fly stuck 100 times, it felt like. I was determined to catch that fish. Never happened. Day 2 was pretty much a bust. Day 3 was way better. Guys, day 3. Yesterday I didn't really film much. I got my heart broken 2 times. Yesterday was rough. Let's just chalk up day 2 as a bust. Day 3, we're coming. Let's go. Definitely colder than it has been the past couple days. The sun's trying to peek out though. Where you at? Oh baby. Let's go. It's a little brown. He's pretty. Look at that thing. Look at him. These pretty brown trout, man. Let's put this guy back. There he goes. feeling about this area right here. I think I see a fish actually. That's perfect. Let's hit this. Here we go, baby. This is it. We're gonna get them. Come on. Take it. Take it. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Pretty rainbow trout. I knew they were in here. Calm down. He went for the fly. Little rainbow. This one's a little prettier than the other rainbow I caught. Look at them colors. Get a good release on this guy. Pretty rainbow. Go, buddy. It'll be all right. Damn. I might be packing up. I don't want to get stuck on this mountain. So I might be trying to get out of here real quick. Damn. I decided to go ahead and get out of there. I ended up not getting a cutthroat, sadly. It was all good, though. I still had fun. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.